Hey friends, if you wish to add a custom search engine in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. Now I'll tell you why they say custom search engine, because the original search engine for Google Chrome is Google itself. That was quite a smart move. Anyway, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots at the top right corner and then select settings from the menu. Now search for the word search engine in the search bar. Okay, now scroll down and you'll find the option for search engine. So Google is a default one. If you want to change it, you can change it. But you know what? I prefer to add a few, or rather, let's say that you can simply click on that option for the search engine, and then you can select some other one to make it default. Click. Let's say that you want Bing as default. So click on the three dots associated with it and select make default. Let's see if it works. So I will search something in the search bar, in the address bar, and it will lead me to Bing search results, which means that the search engine has changed. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.